So we're installing this roof here in a couple of weeks, but right now the homeowner has a leak right here. And so we're going to do a temporary repair. And I think what's happening is this gutter is completely clogged full of granules, and it's building up. The water is building up, so it's getting up underneath the shingles. We're finding a way behind the flashing. So we're taking this gutter guard off, and we're going to see what's all trapped in there, clean this gutter out, and then I'm going to take that apart if need be. So what's happening right now is that water can't get in through here. It's coming down off this valley. It's getting in here. It's getting trapped, and then it's building up underneath here. So we're going to clean this all out. Yep, right there it is.
Big hole, right?
Yeah, see it right here. Can you see that, Erica? See it?
Yep. So are you going to put a piece of flashing there to cover it?
Yep, we're going to put a piece of flashing in there until because there's a big hole there. And that water is just getting right up and through there.
Yeah.
And somebody tried to caulk it, which makes my job a lot harder. The other problem here is this gutter should be off the roof line about a ½ inch, so this doesn't get trapped and continue to do that. So when we replace this roof, we have it in the notes to cut this back a little bit.
Now you're just caulking some of the edges.
Yeah. And again, this is a temporary fix because we're replacing this roof in 2 weeks. This will hold over for now.